I'm going to disconnect the battery like we do to separate the trike. We're going to take this stand and we're going to put it right up under here, and then I'm just going to gently roll the trike forward. See that? Goes right in, and it's going to be the perfect height, all right, when this is done. It goes right behind on that back half of the frame. Now, I'm going to leave the brake off on the front half of the trike. I'm going to hold the front half of the trike. I'm going to loosen the quick release, and then I'm going to move this a little bit so it's a little bit folded, right? My stand is holding the back half in place, and I'm going to put my hand underneath a little bit, get that shimmy, and I'm going to pull that pin. Very easy to pull out. And you can see this is still even together without the pin. I'm going to move it away just a little bit. And there we go. It's separated. Now I'm free to work with the front while the stand is holding the back. Okay? Now to go back together, again, I don't have my brake on. I'm going to maneuver down my front half. And right away, I'm going to be able to get there because it's the perfect height. I'm going to put my pin in. I'm going to start to push down. I'm going to do my shimmy. I'm going to come in here and push it in. Okay? Then I'm going to go back, I'm going to fold, and then I'm going to close it up. And that stand gives me a lot of help. Now from there, I can roll back, I can take my stand out, I can put my battery back together, right? And there you go.